That's a ramp. That's a ramp if I ever seen one. Try to hill climb real quick. Squirrel!
Attention. The following video includes AI-generated clips of stunts that are not to be attempted in real life. This video is for educational purposes only. Enjoy.
Brother! What's going on today, everybody? Got you another YouTube video here today on the 450. It's a Friday afternoon. No work today. So, I think you know the deal. I just caught that girl over there looking at me and now I feel weird. But anyway, new camera. What's up, y'all? I don't know if that camera is really going to be worth anything without having like an external mic, but we might be able to use it. We'll see. So what's going on today, everybody? I hope you guys are doing good. Hope you guys had a good week. So I really don't have anything on the agenda today. Like per usual, I don't ever like plan my videos out. I really kind of want to go hit this one jump that I haven't hit for a while because I never cleared it on the sumos, and I want to try to clear it on the sumos today. So we're just going to try to make our way around that area and then see what we can get into along the way. So you guys stay tuned.
A few inches later.
Yes, here it is. Finally found it. Went to the whole wrong place. Oh, I hope I just didn't mess my wheels up. Holy. Wheels just ate that curb. I way oversent that, bro. Holy shit. I way oversent that. Jeez. I smacked that curb, boy. Smacked it. I was afraid I wasn't going to clear it on the sumos. Oh, but I did. Ah. Damn. How's the wheel? She's looking all right. Looking all right. We didn't bend it. Hell yeah. We sent that shit though. Holy. Sick. Back on the road. So I think the wheel hit the camera. I'm not 100% for sure, but I think it did. But the wheel definitely hit my exhaust. That's for sure. Still feels okay. But we're not pulling any sort of weird direction or anything like that, so I'm gonna say she just took that curve, dude. Thought I was a little more to the left where I wouldn't have hit the curb, but I guess not. Dollar General. Oh, I know where we are. I was like, what the hell? Those things really just do be popping up everywhere. Go this way. Ooh, shopping cart. I'll leave it alone. Don't feel like messing with a shopping cart right now. I am down to see where this goes. Just goes to the UPS. Hopefully this goes somewhere and not just like... Oh, sick. Nice. Just got garage sales going on. Hi. Damn, there's just hella garage sales going on right now. That's a ramp. That's a ramp if I ever seen one. And some stairs, boy. YouTube is a close course. Those grass clippings right there making me nervous. Trying to hit my brake on one of those while I'm dropped back. Over. Ow. Yeah. Oh, they take all the locks off? Oh, there's one. Last time I was up here, there was like a whole bunch of locks everywhere. Hello. And I guess they're gone now. Look at all these locks, dude. F all of you. Yeah, screw them locks. Try to hill climb real quick. Squirrel! That looks like about the steepest part of it. Try to hit it. No problem. Looks a little harder for the hill climbing. Screw it, we'll try it. We'll try it. Hill climb on sumos. Let's go. Hit it with some momentum, you'll be just fine. I wonder if the dude from earlier this season is over here. Don't look like it. So I came here like 2 months ago. And I had some dude like come out of that building over there and be like, "Hey, what are you doing?" And then he just kind of stood there and we just had like a staring contest. Should we try a circle? All right. Man, you just let that clutch out a little bit and it just really goes ahead of you. Alright, that wasn't so bad at all. My hand hurts now from being so aggressive on the clutch like that. Got some stairs. Do-do-do-do-do. Oof. Bro's parked right where I need to go. A little booze fighter here. Old brother with the patches. Brother. Nice. That's crazy. Alright everybody, I think that's going to be the end of the video. Done rode around, did a little bit, hit some jumps, just cruised around. Probably going to be a little shorter of a video. It was really more just to test this camera out to see if I really like it and if I want to do anything with it in the future. So be with me there. Yeah, I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, leave a like. If you want to see some more, hit a sub. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.